Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. But Vic is making it the best, the mathematician. You know what it is. We are here with another video of Vic. Today we are doing the problem involving simultaneous equation or number pattern number fit. But before we say number fit, please subscribe, comment, do whatever it takes for fit to share with your friends. Yeah, number fit. Here is the question. Say determine the first three terms of arithmetic sequence, right? If the fifth term of the sequence is 12 and the 14th term of the sequence is negative 33, right? Do not panic, guys. Relax. This thing is very simple, right? You have to analyze, right? They said fifth term is 12, right? It means T5 is equals to 12, right? Again, 14th term, right, is negative 33, right? It means T14 is equals to negative 33, right? Then from here, you have to think, right? You know the formula, right, of arithmetic says Tn is equals to A plus into brackets n minus 1 d, right? Then from here, you determine, right? You have T5, right? Which is equals to 12, right? It means on Tn, you substitute 12, right? Then you say 12 is equals to, do you have A? No, you don't know A, you write A, right? Then plus, not 9 is A, right? Plus, into bracket, T5, right? Right here, you write 5 minus 1, close the bracket. Do you know D? No, you don't know D. You write D, right? Then from here, you just apply math. You say 12 is equals to A, then 5 minus 1 is 4, multiplied by D, it means it's 4D. 4D. Then, from here, simple and straightforward, right? You can make A the subject of the formula. It means this one, it will jump the border, right? It becomes negative. Then you say A is equals to 12 minus 4D, right? You can name it equation 1, right? You get it? Then from here, the same procedure with this one. We know Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D, right? We already know Tn, right? Which is negative 33, right? Here you write negative 33 is equals to A. Do you know A? No, you write A. Then plus n is what? Is 40, right? You write 40 minus 1. Do you know D? No, you don't know D, right? Then from here, you just apply math. Simple, right? You say negative 33 is equals to A 14 minus 1 is 18, right? Then you get 13D, right? Right. Then from here, you can name this equation 2, right? This one you name it equation 2, right? Then from here, you can say substitute equation 1 into equation 2, right? From here, you write your equation 2. Say negative 3, 33, A plus 13D, right? Then here you know your A is equals to 12 minus 4D, right? It means you are going to substitute that. You write negative 33 is equals to your A is this one, right? You write 12 minus 4D, right? Then plus 13D plus 13D, right? Then from here, it's just a matter of doing the like terms, right? It will be, you add the like terms, right? You say this one, it will come this side, right? It will be negative 33 minus 12, right? Then this side you are left with negative 4d plus 3d, right? Then negative 33 minus 12, right? You will get negative 45, negative 45. Then negative 4d plus 30d, right? It means you will get 9d, positive 9d, right? You need, here you need d, you don't want 90, right? You divide both sides by 9, both sides by 9, right? Then therefore d will be equal to what, right? 9 into 45, it go to 5 times, right? Here you have negative, you say negative 5, right? You know your d, right? You know your d, right? Then from here you say substitute d is equals to negative 5 into equation 1, right? Which is your equation 1. You say a is equals to 12 minus 4d, right? Then a is equals to 12 minus 4, then into bracket negative 5, right? A is equals to 12, negative 4 times negative 5, you will get what? Positive 20, right? Therefore your a is equals to 12 plus 20, right? Which is, you will get 32, right? Then the question said, calculate the first 3 terms, right? We already know our first term, which is 32, right? Then from here, you write your general term, right? Which is Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1. Close the bracket there, right? Tn is equals to, you know your first term, right? Which is 32 plus, into bracket, negative n minus 1, close the bracket. What is your d? Negative 5, right? Close the bracket. Then Tn is equals to 32 negative 5 times n is negative 5n. Negative 5 times negative 1, you get positive 5, right? Then from here, you add the like terms. Your Tn is equals to negative 5n. This plus this, you will get positive 37, right? Then from here, you just substitute, right? They said first 3 terms, right? You will start with, you already know T1, right? Which is 32, right? Then you can say 32, right? Then from here, you can just say T2 is equals to negative 5n, negative 5, 2 plus 37, right? Then you will get what? You punch the calculator, you will get 27. Then T2 is 27. Then you do the same with T3. You just say T3 is equals to negative 5 plus 37, right? You will get what? You punch the calculator, you will get 22, right? It means T3 is 22, right? These are the first 3 terms, right? The second question says, hence determine the 4th term, right? You already know your general term, right? General term, right? Here you just say 2, you write number 2, then you say T, n is equals to negative 5n plus 37, right? Then T 40 is equals to negative 5 into brackets, you write your 40, n plus 37. Then T40 is equals to You punch the calculator, you get negative 163. Right. You get it. It's very simple. Right, guys. Here is another question. Right. Say the sum of the first 12 terms of the arithmetic series is 96. Right. Be careful. They say sum of the first 12 terms. Right. Sum. When you hear the word sum, you have to think about this formula. Sn is equals to n over 2 the brackets 2a plus n minus 1 close the brackets d, because it's in arithmetic series. Right. Then as the question continues, said the third and the sixth term add up to 12. Right. It means the combination of T3 and T6, it gives us 12. Right. Then the question is continue, say determine the first term at common difference. Right. Let's look into this one. Right. It means they say T3 plus T6 is equals to 12. Is what we get from this statement. Right. Then from here, let's start with the first statement. Right. Set the sum of the first 12 terms. Right. Of the arithmetic series is 96. It means Sn is equals to 96. Right. Then what about n? N is equals to 12, because they said the sum of the first 12 terms of an arithmetic is 96. Right. Then from this formula, we substitute what we have. Right. Sn is 96. Substitute we are 96. What about n? Is 12. We substitute 12 over 2. Right. Then 2. Right. What is your a? You don't know a. Right. You just write a plus your n again is 12. 12 minus 1 multiply. Do you know d? No, you don't know d. Close the brackets. Right. Then from here, you write 96 is equals to 2 into 12 is 6. Right. You have something like this. Then 2a, 12 minus 1 is what? You will get 10. 11, not 10. 11 is 11d. Right. Close your brackets. Right. Then from here, you can divide both sides by 6. Right. You divide both sides by 6. Right. Then 6 into 96, it goes how many times? 16 times. Is equals to this, cancel this one. You're left with 2a plus 11d. Right. You can write it like this. 2a plus 11d is equals to 16. Right. Then you can name it equation 1. Right. Then in other side, right, they said T3 plus T6 is equals to 12. Right. And we already know the formula of arithmetic. Right. When they say Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1, close the brackets, multiply by d. Right. This is the formula. Right. Then it means that you will use this formula for T3 and T6. Right. Right. You get it. Then it means you will write something like this. Be careful, guys. Do not data Z. Do not data Z. It means that our TA here is equals to 12. Right. Listen and listen attentively. You will say, you write, let's focus on T3. Right. We are focusing on T3. Right. As we write, you write. Do you have A? No, you don't know A, right? You write your A. Right. Then plus. What is your N? Your N is 3. Right. You write 3 minus 1. Right. Do you know D? You don't know D. Right. You write D. You can close the brackets. Plus. Right. We focus on T6. Right. You do the same looking into this formula. What is your A? You don't know A. Right. You write A. Plus. What is your N? It's 6. Right. You write 6 minus 1. Close the bracket. You know D. You don't know D. You write D. Then you see, close the bracket. Is equals to 12. Right. Is equals to 12. Then from here, it's just simple. Right. Let's focus here. You write A. 3 minus 1. You get multiplied by D. You will get positive 2D. Right. Plus. Right. We focus this side. You write your A. Plus 6 minus 1 is 5 multiplied by D. You will get what? 5D. Which is equals to 12. Right. Then from here, you add your items. This, it goes with this one. Right. It gives us 2A. Right. Then this, it goes with this one. It gives us what? It will give us 5 plus 2, 7. 7D. Which is equals to 12. Right. Then from here, you can name this one. Equation 1, 2. Right. It's your equation 2. Then from here, you say, right, you can use the elimination, right? You can use the elimination or substitution, any of the method that you want to use, right? You say, let's use elimination. We say equation 1 minus equation 2, right? We write our equation 1 is 2A plus 11 minus 11D, right? 11D is equals to 16, right? Then here, don't forget to write subtraction, right? Into bracket, you write this formula. 2A plus 7D is equals to 12, right? Which is equation 2, right? Then here, you say
negative times 2A plus 2A, it will give us 0.
It will be 0, right? Plus negative times positive 7, right? Minus 11D. You will get what?
Negative times 17
4
plus 11D.
Right. It's equals to
it will give us 40. Right. Negative times 12 plus 16. It will give us 4.
Positive 4, which is 4D is equals to 4. Then we divide both sides by 4. Then our D, it will be equal to 1. Right? 1. Then from here, we know our D. What is our D? Right? Then we say substitute. D is equals to 1 into equation 1, right? Into our equation. Then you write your equation 1, which is 2A plus 11D is equals to 16, right? Then you substitute D, right? 2A plus 11. What is our D? Is 1. You see, 1 is equals to 16, right? Then from here, you say 2A, then this one, 11 times 1 is 11, right? It will jump there because sign it will change this sign, right? 16 minus 11. Then 2A is equals to 16 minus 11 is what? 5. Right? 5. Then you divide both sides by 2. 2. Right? A is equals to 5 over 2. Right. Then they said find the first term and common difference. Right. You can say therefore, right, the first term, right, is 5 over 2. We all know our A is first term always, right? And common difference. The difference is 1. Guys, it's 1. Ian, right? Guys, if you don't get it, watch this video over and over again with it. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, do whatever it takes with me to.